Hi Aquarius, this is Vishwaza for Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. This is a mid-month reading for the month of March 2021 for Aquarius. Oopsie. The card at the bottom of the deck is Seven of Wands. A lot of seven energies for you, Aquarius. Okay. I'm getting a lot of good things for you. If you're planning to invest in property, then go ahead. That's going to work out in your favor. You have the star card. Those are your energies here, Aquarius. If you're trying to be, um, if you're trying to get married and you're wondering if this is the right time, should you propose to your partner for marriage, do so. If your parents are getting somebody some kind of a proposal for your marriage, do consider it. If you're feeling lack of money, lack of financial stability and security, rest assured times are turning in your favor. All you need to do is work on your dreams, and if you feel there is some kind of a job or a business like a startup or something that you need to work on, just do so because it's going to work out in your favor. Somebody from your past wants to come back in and give you a new start. Some good news is coming your way, Aquarius. Wow, you've got the Six of Cups and you've got the Eight of Swords, you've got the Wheel of Fortune. Times are turning in your favor, Aquarius. Whatever happened in the past, if you were in a relationship with somebody and it did not work out, they are coming back. This is not for those who are wanting to marry somebody. This is for people who are waiting for some kind of connection, communication from somebody who was in their past. You might feel a little stuck and stagnated, but Aquarius, rest assured, this is all in your head. All you need to do is break your inhibitions and chase your dreams. Go after your dreams. There's a possibility of new love for those who are single. Wow. There could be some kind of dispute with a father figure, with a mentor, with a boss, or someone whom you consider your guiding light, but they are trying to take advantage. Now, do not trust everyone because sometimes people hurt you and say it was for your own good, Aquarius. So just keep an eye out for that. This is a general reading, so it may not resonate with each one of you. If this doesn't resonate with you, just switch it off. Okay. Numbers 10, 5, 6, 7, and 8 could be important. So keep an eye out for those. A Leo person could be important. You're finally feeling empowered. Some kind of good news is coming your way. Things are looking better for you. But if you feel that you are lacking somewhere, just work on those shortcomings and you will be in a better space, Aquarius. Don't lose hope. Let's see some extra messages for you, Aquarius. These messages may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Peaceful resolution. This entire reading is only about peace returning into your life. Waves of prosperity, new abundance, and exciting opportunities wash over you now. Whenever you feel challenged, just know that your soul has gone through this before, so it's nothing that you haven't already done. That is where you'll get your true powers from, the strength to endure any challenge. Okay. Adventure, 30 could be an important number. I'm getting adventure sports looking at that card. So if you're into it, go for an adventure sport, probably. Bring love into the situation, new moon in Aquarius. Expect powerful change. Balance spirituality and practicality. It's time to release negativity and look at the bigger picture. The signs that are present here are fellow Aquarians, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Cancer, and Taurus. Energy flows where my intention goes. If you want to manifest something, Aquarius, think about it and think about how you'll feel when you've truly manifested it. I'd like to dedicate this beautiful clear quartz to you, Aquarius, so that you get the clarity that you truly deserve. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. Bye.